Open your Filmora mobile, create new project, and import your video. Now that you have your witch video or Halloween video, add a music and search for witch. Adjust the music. And this will be our background music on this project. Now go to sound effects and search for a witch laugh. Pick witch laugh 1, add it to your soundtrack, and duplicate your sound effect until it's enough. Now go to effects and add this Halloween effect right here. Go to sound effects and search for bats. Add another effect. And again, go to sound effects and search for a bat sound effect. Lastly, add this Halloween vibe overlay at the end of your video. And that's it. You're done.